This philosophy channel is growing super fast right now, but very quietly. In the next few days, you'll probably see it pop up on your YouTube homepage. It's taking over the philosophy, stoicism, and psychology niches. The crazy part is, it's getting 800,000 to 1.2 million views every single week. No face on camera, no drama, no shouting, just a calm voice and nice clean pictures. That means the channel is already making $8,000 to $15,000 a month from ads alone, plus sponsorship money. And the person running it is still just a student. Look at the numbers. Videos hitting 4 million, 3 million, or easily 900,000 views each. The channel is called Kee, and in this video, I'm giving you his complete secret system, live on screen, so you can copy everything today and launch your own channel tomorrow. Maybe you're thinking, man, I want a channel that makes money this easily and quietly. Don't worry at all, relax. First, let me quickly play a clip from one of his videos so you see the style.
When someone says something kind or understanding or attentive, and instead of feeling warm, instead of letting it sink in, you feel something tighten inside your chest. You pull back, you change the subject, you smile and pretend everything is fine. And later when you're alone, you tell yourself it was nothing. You were just busy, you just needed space, you just didn't want to bother anyone. But deep down, you know that's not completely true. There's a strange psychology behind adults who avoid connection. It's not that they don't want love or belonging or closeness. They do. In fact, many of them want it more desperately than anyone else. But wanting something and feeling safe enough to receive it are two very different things. And somewhere along the line, they learned, often quietly, often subtly, that closeness comes with a cost.
Soft background music, big, simple captions, and only pictures moving slowly on screen. It looks simple, but there's a smart system behind it. We're going to build the exact same thing together. In the next few minutes, I will show you every single step he uses, 100% clear, nothing missing. Not just make good videos, I mean the full recipe. How to get ideas, write scripts, make visuals, record voice, edit, upload, and actually earn real money. We'll do it live together on my screen right now. You'll see every prompt, every tool, every small trick that makes his videos feel relaxing like therapy, yet blow up with millions of views. Watch until the very end. Every step is important. Skip even one and your video will regret it. Follow all of them and your very first video can get 50,000 to 200,000 views in the first week. Okay, let's start. Screen is on, here we go. Step 1 is the most basic thing, yet it's the most important. You must choose a topic. No matter what your channel is about, money, movies, sports, games, everything begins with picking the right topic. If the topic is boring or weak, the whole video will fail, no matter how good the rest is. So here's what you do. Open ChatGPT. You can use other tools too, but ChatGPT works great when you give it a good prompt. A bad prompt gives bad ideas. A good prompt gives amazing ideas. Don't worry, the perfect prompt for creating titles is already written for you in this guide. All the tools and all the prompts I use are listed in the video description. Just check there, copy them, and relax. Now we have the title prompt ready. Copy it, open ChatGPT, paste it, press enter. Instantly, it will give you strong, click-worthy titles that actually bring views. Look, it's already creating titles right now, live. From the list, choose the title that has the biggest problem plus the biggest solution. Pain plus promise. If you turn just 2 or 3 of these titles into videos each week, your whole week is planned. You can even stretch it to 2 weeks if you want. Don't like any of the 10 titles? No problem. Run the same prompt again, you get 10 brand new ones. Do this a few times and you'll have an entire month of video ideas from one single prompt. That's it. Title step finished. Now, step 2, writing the script. This step decides how good and professional your video feels. Good news. You don't have to write anything yourself. I already made the complete script prompt for you. Just copy it, go back to ChatGPT, paste it. Pick one title from step 1 and put it there, then press enter. ChatGPT will now give you a full script outline. We want 15 to 20-minute videos, but ChatGPT makes short answers in one go. So after you get the outline, open a new chat, copy the second prompt, also in the description, Paste your outline into it, and it will expand everything into a long, complete script. Copy the script section by section, paste into a Google Doc or Word file in order, make small fixes if needed, and you're done. Script finished. Step 3. Voiceover. This part is very important. I always use ElevenLabs. It's cheap, easy to use, and the voice sounds super clean. Open ElevenLabs, choose text-to-speech, you'll see a simple screen. Copy your full script, paste it into the box. Choose a voice that sounds curious and energetic. I picked one that feels very close to Kee's real voice. You can make it faster or slower if you want. Click Generate. In just 3 to 4 seconds, the full voiceover is ready. Listen to it.
Why does your life keep repeating patterns you never consciously chose? You wake up daily and think, haven't I been here before? Same mistakes, same frustrations, same people showing up the same way. It's like your life has a script you didn't write.
It sounds natural and clear. Then click Download. Voiceover step complete. Step 4. Creating the visuals. People think this is hard, but it's actually one of the easiest parts. I already wrote the perfect visual prompt for you. Your only job? Copy it. Copy your entire script from earlier and paste it exactly there. Nothing else to change. Send it to ChatGPT. It will automatically create a separate image prompt for every scene in your script, completely free and perfectly matched. Now take each of those image prompts, copy one by one, and go to Google and type Whisk. It's a free AI image tool. Paste the prompt. My big tip: always add reference pictures so it copies Kee's exact style. Go to Kee's YouTube channel, take 2 to 3 screenshots from his recent videos, and upload them in the reference/style section in Whisk. Then click Generate. You get beautiful images that look exactly like his videos. Pick the best one, download it. Repeat for every prompt. In a few minutes, all your video pictures are ready. Final step: editing the video in CapCut, free app. Open CapCut, drag and drop all the images and clips you generated. Then drag and drop the voiceover file from ElevenLabs on the audio track. Line everything up so the pictures change with the story. Quick tips: add big captions with the same font Kee uses, or any font you like. You can add light background music and small zoom effects if you want to make it more exciting. That's all. Basic editing is finished. Add some text captions and soft music. Export the video. You now have a complete, high-quality video that looks just like Kee's videos, ready to upload and get thousands of views. That's the full system.
Why does your life keep repeating patterns you never consciously chose? You wake up daily and think, haven't I been here before? Same mistakes, same frustrations, same people showing up the same way. It's like your life has a script you didn't write, but somehow you keep acting it out. In other words, your mind quietly pulls you toward what's familiar, even when it hurts. And the weirdest part? You don't always notice it at first. It sneaks in small decisions.
From zero ideas to finished video, using only free or cheap AI tools. Everything you need is in the description. If anything is confusing, ask in the comments and I'll reply. And if you want to learn even more AI tricks and get all my secret prompts and classes, join my free Telegram group. Link is in the description. See you there.